Now once we have selected the theme and we have applied the transition to the slide, now it is the time to make the slides more attractive with the help of certain animations. Now how to apply animations? A very simple part over here first. Right click the desired object and then select animate. So I'm showing you that particular part. I'll be selecting this. Right click. You will be able to see animate option over here. When I click on animate option, you will be able to see different kinds of animation. One more time, closing the window, entire thing I'm closing, select it. When you select it, you must be able to see a boundary like this, a rectangle boundary of blue line you must be able to see. Right click and then click on the animate option. When you click on the animate option, you will be able to get an animate window on the right hand side of your computer screen. Now, by default, it will be fade in. If you want to select any other, fly in from the bottom, and the motion has to be very slow. Moving to the next. Again, by default, it is fly in from the bottom. If I want to add this particular part, now, if I want to add this part, I have to select and I require to click on add animation. When I click on the add animation, again it will be fade in. Now I'll fly in from top. I'm trying two different animations. Scroll down, make the speed as medium and play. First, the cube part will be coming. Fade in, fly in from the top. So these are the animations. One more time, I'll be showing you this particular part. Now, how to add a new slide with the help of this particular plus sign, I will be able to add a new slide. Now, the tool that I have selected is Google Classroom. So, I require to write few points related with Google Classroom over here. So, what I'm doing, I'm making from the three dots, you are able to see the three dots, that is a more option. You will be able to see numbered list. You will be able to see bulleted list. Generally, I'm making use of bulleted list. So, Google Classroom, Google Classroom is where the teachers post the link of the daily plans. 1 point. Next, if the students are having some queries, they write in the Google Classroom. The teacher reply to their queries. Done. Now, I have selected very few points. If you are able to recall more points, you can give. You can elaborate the points. But remember, I have used Google Classroom. You have to use certain different tool. Now, coming over here, add animation. The motion block was already open, so I'm clicking on add animation. Fly in from the top. Make medium. Come over here. Now I'll be showing you some points which are over here. You are able to see three different points. So click on add animation. And this time I'll be choosing fly in from the bottom, and at the bottom you will be able to see by paragraph. Now what is the use of selecting by paragraph? All the 3 points won't come simultaneously. One by one the points will be coming at the on the sides. So you are able to see over here. I'm clicking the mouse. Sorry, one more time I'm playing it. When I click on the mouse, you will be able to see Google Classroom coming. One point is coming. The second point is also coming. And the third point is also coming. Now in this manner, you can select point by point coming on the sides with the help of just by ticking or just by selecting the paragraph. See over here. Now I want to insert an image and I want to give animation to it. Now we are very much aware how to insert the image with the help of insert image, search the web. So I will be typing Google Classroom itself. And I will be selecting any one. I will be selecting any one. Yes, suppose now I will be selecting the first image itself, Google Classroom, sample Google Classroom, and I am able to insert it in. Over here you will be able to see creating images. Now the image is too big, so you will be able to see the borders. Just drag this particular border in order to make the image small. Wherever you want, you can place it. Right click, add animation. Any way you can choose. Appear, disappear, fade in, fade out, flying from the left, flying from the right, zoom in and spin. And play. So first, it will be Google Classroom. Then first point, second point, third point, and then you are able to see that the image is spinning. So in this manner, you can prepare a presentation on any two tools that you have used during the sync session. Remember to give animation to the, remember to give transition to the sides, remember to give animation to the text and the images that you have used. And please upload that particular part in the Google form.